We're over here at Carz R Us in Machesney Park. Got a great new vehicle for you. Tons of space, which is awesome with these. This is a 2004 Chrysler PT Cruiser, 162,000 miles on it. Got it for $34.99. Great deal. Go ahead and walk with me. I'll show you the rest of the car. We've got rear shocks in it, stabilizer links, oil change, air filter, a bunch of other parts. Tires are in good shape. You can see detailed, and the detail guy did an awesome job. This is super clean. We got a new battery in it, so that's great. You can see here under the hood is really clean. But again, tires are in real good shape. You got a couple years on those. So check it out. We'll go ahead and start her up here. And this is a manual transmission. So we got our handy dandy clutch here. So if you don't know how to drive stick and you want to learn, this is a good car. Otherwise, if you already know how to drive, you want the control that a stick shift gives you, come over here. This is a perfect vehicle for you. Carz R Us in Machesney Park, $34.99, 2004 PT Cruiser.
877-4277